With CaseGuard Studio, I'm going to upload 5 images and use CaseGuard's enhancement effects to make some of the features more visible. Since I've uploaded 5 images to CaseGuard, it automatically creates an album for me. Anything over 5 images will automatically create an album. However, there's no limit to this. You can upload thousands at once. The first thing I'm going to do is draw a box around this license plate and then add my enhancement effects. There are lots to choose from. I'm going to use Enhanced Details, as well as Magnify, and then I'm going to remove this adaptive blur. I can change these levels to make sure that my image is enhanced as much as I need it to be. These are fully customizable. Now that that's done, I can go to the next one, and since I already have my levels set, I can just draw a box around this license plate, and it's enhanced automatically. I can do the same for this license plate, as well as this suspect, whose features I need a little more visible in this image. And I can do the same for this man in the back of this photo, who I also need a little more visible for a case. Now that this is done, I can go ahead and export my images. And now that my album is exported, I can go to my project files, click on my album, and here are all of my enhanced images. If you want to learn more, visit our website or contact us today to learn how CaseGuard can streamline your investigations.